So MX1 first hit. Tingnan natin yung first ride ni Bornok Mangusong sa Ducati. Yan. No shot. So ito po yung unang ride ni Bornok sa Team Ducati. First is Viterbo, pangalawa Bornok Mangusong, pangatlo Anthony Cortez, pangapat Rayo Imanag from Team Good Boy. So bakbakan yung tatlo guys. Ayun, naunahan na si Bornok ni Cortez. So ito po yung unang ride ni Bornok sa Team Ducati. So after 10 years na pagra-ride sa Yamaha, so nag-switch na siya sa Ducati. So tingnan natin kung sino unang lalabas. So Viterbo pa rin, BM111, pangatlo si Anthony Cortez. Dikit yung tatlo guys. Dikit yung tatlo. Hop. Naunahan na. Down. Bagsak yung dalawa. So bagsak yung dalawa, si Viterbo at saka si Cortez. Pangalawa na si panguna na si Cortez. Bumagsak si Viterbo at saka si Bornok.
This category, and it's going to be a whole lot of action for these gentlemen.
So breakaway na Anthony Cortez. Breakaway na. Malayo si Bornok guys sa Ducati.
Being your best now, but being your best now.
So breakaway na Anthony Cortez. Malayo na. Malayo na si Cortez. Bornok di pa galama yung Yan, pangatlo lang si Bornok guys sa Ducati. So inahabol niya si Viterbo. So Cortez, malayo na, hindi mapigilan. batang bata. Race from Honda. Mapalayo na.
Ayun, oo. But it doesn't mean that the action is not on the racetrack. This is a reminder to everybody who is with us today. Please hydrate, make sure na tama ang water level sa ating mga sistema kapag kayo po ay nahihilo-hilo.
So this is 15 minutes plus 2 laps. Medyo malayo-layo pa. Cortez pa rin, nangunguna. Lakas! From Honda. Malayo pa na sila. Malayo na, Paul. Huling-huli si Bornok. Si Bornok yata ang pinakahuli. Sumimplang eh.
For this category, 5 seconds out, 12:52 in the afternoon. And it's a great day to get a celebration. Katulad natin.
Halfway pa. Layo na. So, Bornok, panghuli, huling-huli.
Oo.
So, Cortez pa rin. Unstoppable.
Correct. Yeah.
Second, Rayo Ipanag. Third, Viterbo. Fourth, Bornok. Riding from Ducati Company. Medyo ko, nanibago pas motor siguro. Medyo malapit na si Bornok, oh. Malapit na si Bornok kay Viterbo. Pumapalapit na si Bornok kay Viterbo. We are almost dikit na yung dalawa, guys. Battle of Viterbo and Bornok Mangosong fighting for third place.
You gotta have an opposite force to make sure that it doesn't overpower you and you don't overpower it as well.
Look at this, Mangosong has caught third place. Viterbo, who was in first kanina, at nung in-over niya ni Bornok for first, so meron sila. So still Cortez is para 1 and 2, pero ang battle po natin ay for third.
Battle for third place. Battle for third place, Peterbo.
If my math is correct, then the 15 minutes have already passed. So we gotta remain 5 minutes.
So lahat, dikit na yung dalawa. Pakbakan. Peterbo at Mangosong.
Ito na naman, dun sa spot where they can. Mangoso, pass to the inside.
Yun o.
Racers.
Ala. Up. Down. So third place na si Bornok.
Is respectful. And medyo tingin ko meron na rin siyang fatigue.
Ino yung vertical na.
You know